Hey guys, what's up? This is Nold, and today I'm going to show you my first Wii Portable that was specially built for the BitBuild Summer Competition 2018. Everything started with modeling the case. After many weeks of CAD work, it was finally ready to get printed. I used black PLA for the bottom half and wood fill filament for the front and the shoulder buttons. In the meantime, I'd finished up the Wii mainboard, which you can see here with Bluetooth, USB port, heatsink and custom regulators attached. After the case and mainboard was done, I could finally start putting it together and wire everything up. So now it was time for the big moment. The software stack running on the Wii is called Portabilize Me, which you can download from the BitBuild website. It removes the need for some of the Wii hardware and allows to load every game and homebrew from a USB drive. It comes with PostLoader as a front end, Nikto and Nintendo for GameCube games. Using this 3D printed holder, which replaces the sensor bar of the Wii, it's also possible to use the Wii mode to play Wii games. Portabilize Me also includes some emulators, which integrate nicely into PostLoader. Thanks for watching, and if you want to know more about my portable or portabilizing in general, check out the links in the video description.